everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and today I just wanted to share with you a couple little projects that I made from another creator out there, Septeria18 on YouTube, and I will have links to her tutorials on how she made these great little projects. But she makes great projects, and they're really fun for like Happy Mail and like making cards and, you know, little mini gifts and things like that. So I was working on some other projects of my own that I was creating with some Valentine's papers, and I had these Valentine's papers and I wanted to kind of use them up. So this one actually isn't Valentine, but this and this are. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you what I did and give her a shout out because they're really fun. And then in the link below, I will link to both of her tutorials. So these are not my tutorials, but I did make them, and I just wanted to share how I did it and what I did, and, you know, give her a shout out because they're really cute and they're really fun. And if you're in the mood to do like a really quick crafty gift, you need something really fast, it works really great. So let's start with this one. This one is the 4-pocket folio, or excuse me, 4-pocket flat mail folder. That's what she calls it, the 4-pocket flat mail folder. And she did this just recently. It was just a couple weeks ago. It's really cute. So basically it's a really cute card. I don't have as many envelopes in mine as she has because she hadn't done most of the tutorial or the other tutorials for the envelopes yet, so I haven't done that. But it turns out to be a really cute folder. It uses 6x6 paper, and it doesn't have to be double-sided, and it's really super cute. On the front, you'll end up with a couple different pockets. So you have a little pocket right here, and then you have another pocket back here. And then, so that's on the front cover. Then you have this little envelope that I created. I put a little tag in there. And then on the back here, on the inside and the back, you have 2 more pockets. So you have another pocket right here in the front, and then you have another pocket in the back. So there's a lot of different places to put fun things. So I just used a heart punch, and I punched that heart out. I got a tag punch. I made a tag, and these are just, you know, random papers. This one I did double so that I could have a little booklet in this kit, and then I just kind of tucked a bunch of stuff in. I went through my stash. You guys remember these? Oh my God, I don't even know how old these are, but it's a slide. It's a heart-shaped slide, and so I just backed the back with patterned paper and created that little fun little tuck piece. Another heart punch here, another tag, and then just a plain tag that you could write notes on or whatever. I just thought that was fun. And then in the front pocket here, I had these little cute little cutouts with the 6x6 pad. This one here, she shows how to make this cute little envelope, and I just put these little teeny tiny cut aparts from the collection. And then another piece of just cardstock. Can't talk tonight. In the back pocket here, I had this white envelope in my stash, so I just put one of the little cut aparts here like a stamp, and then on the inside I punched another tag just to go in there. Just really cute. And then a tab on this, just like a journaling card, and then another tag. So that goes into the back pocket here. And then here, these are fabric heart ribbons that I had, and I just cut little hearts out and put on either end, and the back is blank. So that's really cute. So that's the 4-pocket flat mail folder that she did. And then this one she did a long time ago. Well, not too long ago. It was back in November, so it wasn't that long ago, I guess. It was last year though, so that counts, right? So she called this the Slim Zig-zag Pocket Folio Folder Journal, or Traveler's Notebook Cover Tutorial. That's what she called it. It's a long name. And then it has this cute little tuck, and that's how it closes. So it just tucks in behind that front piece. And then it's like loaded. There's like a zigzag pocket thing going on here, and then another pocket over on this side. So in this, what I ended up doing, I used, the papers were Park Lane Planner Girl that I got from Joann's. And they had just a ton of little cut aparts and stuff that you're supposed to, I guess, use in your planners. Haven't done that. So I got like all these labels. So I kind of filled it up with things like if you were a planner person, which I am, and you got this as a gift, it would be really kind of a fun way to add things to your planner. I just added one of the little pieces that I cut out there, little note cards here, and then in the back pocket here, there was a couple skinny pieces that I cut out and put in there. So that was, it turned out really cute. It was fun. Fun to do, that's for sure. So then all these little cute little pockets, and they're great for all kinds of different sized embellishments and stuff. And then on this side here, just a simple pocket here. So I created a little mini, like a notebook with some random papers that I had off to the side, and I just kind of put those in there for a little notebook. And then some cut aparts, planning like a boss, planner's got a plan. Just cute. They're all blank on the back. Remember, get it done, goals, and to-dos, all just cute, but a lot of different things that you could put in here. And I like this this piece here I cut out. It says girl boss, so I thought it was kind of cute. Then it closes, has a little bit, it's kind of skinny. It's not very big, that's for sure. It's only 3 1/4 wide by 6 tall, so it is kind of on the skinny side. But the back here looks like that. It's just really cute though. I thought it was really cute. So I did that. I love how that turned out. So there's that. So this is the slim zigzag pocket folio folder / journal or traveler notebook cover tutorial. That's what she called it. And then this one here is the 4-pocket flat mail folder, and I'll have links below. When I was done with this, I still had some scraps, so I made a small banner. So I just had to share that with some really pretty kind of metallic cord that I had in my stash. And I just made this cute little Halloween banner. Halloween. I got Halloween on the brain still. A Valentine's Day banner. That's what I did. So thanks for putting up with my my rambling here, and go check her channel out. It's really cute, and have fun creating and dig out your scraps and make some fun things. So thanks for watching. I will see you again soon with more fun projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.